Okay, ready? All right, here we go. First film of the new physics year. We're in Abu Dhabi here. We got a lot of people from all over the world. Where are you from? Jude? Jordan. Quickly. Egypt. Germany. Egypt. Ethiopia. The United Arab Emirates. India. America. U.S. We're in America. Atlanta. Excellent. The UK. America. Palestine. America. UAE. Lithuania. Excellent. Vilnius, right? Excellent. Okay, so let's run through this, okay? Now, is that right? Vilnius, right? What? Yeah, but Vilnius is the capital, right? Yeah. Okay. But what city do you live in? Alitos? Yeah. Alitos. Okay, very good. Excellent. Okay, now, so remember, we want to reconcile this. A, B, and C, correct? Now remember, and I'll write the equations on the board. If we're going to find an x, it's going to be equal to h cosine theta. If we're going to find a y, it's going to be h sine theta. Correct? Yes? Easy? So I want you to tell me, and I want to do, remember the signs. Remember, this is going to be positive, negative, right? And this will be negative, positive, right? Okay, so let's do it. All right, A, right here. So what is 20 cosine 40? 20 cosine 40.
15.32.
All right, we need three significant figures. Okay, 15.2?
Yeah.
Is that right? Okay, so 15.2. And what is 20 sine 40?
12.8.
12.8. Okay. We're going to go back and do the signs. Is that okay? Is that all right? Because the signs are really important to focus on them. Okay, so what do we got? What's B? All right, 30 cosine 60 is 15, right? Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, and what is 30 sine 60? 30 sine 60.
25.98.
All right, remember, three significant figures. So 26?
26.
Okay. 2 or 3, right, is fine. Right? Yes? And this one is just straight up, right? So listen carefully. I'm going to show you how to do the 90-degree one. You don't have to do what we've been doing with A and B. So if it's going to be 100 straight up, that means it's going to be 0 on the x-axis, right? And it's going to be positive 100 on the y-axis. Do you get that? You see that? Okay? And then these signs will be, A will be positive, negative. Check that for me. Remember, keep me honest. If we do something wrong and you guys don't catch me, I can't put this on the web. Okay? I'm not putting like a correction video. Yes? So this one is going to be negative, positive. Is that correct? Negative, positive. Okay, so let's add this. Did you add this? This is going to be, I can do this one right here. This will be plus 0.2, correct? Yes?
Yeah.
Plus 0.2. And this is going to be what?
Plus 113.
Plus 113?
Yeah.
Plus 113. Okay? So we can already see that the answer is pretty much going to be around 90 degrees straight up, isn't it? Probably. Do you think?
Yeah.
It's going to be very close. 89.9, whatever. Yes? Okay, now. So what is the magnitude is going to be, so you don't have to worry about negative or positive, do you? So what is the square root of the following sum? 0.2 squared plus 113 squared. What's that going to be? Can we do this? Are we working here? These guys are, this is the end of the week. They're a little tired. I understand. Yes?
Yeah, the one on X for A. Yeah, 15.3. Up. Yeah.
This is 15.3? It's 15.3.
Yeah.
Do we have a verification on that?
Yeah, it is.
All right, 15.3, excellent. Excellent, that's exactly that's the kind of stuff I want. I want corrections done before we finish. Excellent extra credit. 2 points for the UAE team. Excellent, well done, excellent. Okay, so what is the square root of 0.3 squared plus 113 squared?
113.
113, that's close enough. Okay, we don't want to go crazy because what we want to do, Mr. UK, is I call them by their countries. It's so easy to remember at first. I'll get to your names later, maybe by March. Well, is that you want to know generalities. Vectors is essentially generalities. We're going to do an actual lab where we have vectors, and it becomes important to be very quantitative. But right now you want to get the idea. You want to get the procedure down. The actual how to do a problem. And then you can apply that technique to any problem. And you can be as exact as you want. Clear? Okay. So, what is going to be the direction? Am I still on camera right here? Direction equals tangent -1, which is arctangent, right? Arctangent y over x. Now, again, you don't need to put any negatives down if there are negatives. There aren't any negatives. Okay? So what is going to be the arctangent of 113 over 0.3? It's going to be a really large number. So it's going to be approximately what?
89.8.
89.8. Okay, can we say 89.8? Is that okay? There's a reason why I don't want to say 90. Is that okay? Okay, so 89.8. So it's not 90, right? So what quadrant is the answer going to be in? It's going to be in the first quadrant, right? See that? Plus, plus. So that's going to be north of east. Correct? North of east? Yes? Are you with me?
Yes.
Yeah? And then it'll be the first quadrant. And then what's the equilibrant going to be? It's going to be, have you ever heard the expression equal and opposite? Equal magnitude, opposite direction. Correct? So it'll be, may I write it in quickly? Okay, it'll be 113, and then it'll be 89.8, what? South, not southwest. Because that, if you say southwest, that's a good answer actually. But if you say southwest, you give the connotations that it's 40 to 45 degrees. When we say the vector is northwest, we say it's 45 degrees. Southwest, northeast. So what we say instead is we simply say south of west. So it's somewhere, it's that many degrees south of west. Okay? And the quadrant will be 3. Is that correct? Is that correct? Yes. Now, what we're going to do is we're finished, right? And I'm going to come back. The weekend's about to start. We start our weekend on Thursday.
Yeah.
It's a little weird for somebody from the West. The guy from the what is it? UAE is looking at me like, it's not weird to me, you know. But we start on Sunday and we end on Thursday. You have your thing, it starts tonight, right?
Yeah.
Or is it tomorrow night?
Yes, yes.
Tonight?
Yeah.
Okay, tonight. Okay, Sabbath. What do you call it?
What?
What do you call tonight?
I'm
What is it?
tonight.
No, what do you call tonight?
Oh, Thursday.
Thursday night.
He calls tonight Thursday night. That's not what I was looking for, but that's what I'll take. Okay. Now, so I'm going to do another video. I'm going to stop this, and we're going to come back, and in 2 minutes we're going to finish the problem. Is this 250 or 255?
255.
We got plenty of time. Okay. We're off.